Hi, this is a bit of a different video, not in any way, shape or form related to my usual fragrance and travel videos. Just a bit of a sort of cry for help as much as anything, because I'm having a problem with my Mini. Quite an old Mini, 2006 model, got a lot of miles on the clock, so problems are inevitable when you've done over 100,000 miles now in a 10-year-old car, more than 10-year-old car, but just wondering if anyone else could help me identify what this problem is. It's quite simply just a clunking noise when turning the wheel. Happened or began last week, went over a speed bump a little bit vigorously, and now I've had this weird clunking noise ever since. Car drives pretty much fine otherwise, but I think it's inevitable. It's going to be a problem that will turn into something else, as these things always do. So just show you a bit of Yorkshire countryside before we move on. A car park at the bottom of a field. So I'll just see if anyone can identify what this issue is. So I'm just going to turn the car on. Okay. So if you listen out for it, I'm going to be steering one wheel because I'm holding with one hand because I'm holding the camera with the other. But just listen out for the clunk. There. That's more of a creak, and that's a big clunk. I'm going to turn it back. Creak again. Clunk. Clunk. And another one. And if we go dry steering, which is not good, go back the other way, you'll hear this clunk again. There you go. And again. And then a creak. I'm conscious that the camera is also picking up the focusing noise as well, which you might find slightly distracting. But I hope you heard the clunks over just the zzz that the camera makes when it clunks. I know nothing about cars, so don't know what it is. Hopefully it's not a major problem. I'm going to take it to a garage to be looked at, but if someone can give me a heads up in the meantime, that would be very much appreciated. Thank you.